Bro, look at the snow. Oh, fuck. Oh, my shoe. No! You're dead.
Okay. Let's see. Just go. Couple breaths. So yeah, deep breath. Go. Breathe in. Oh my gosh. Not good. Oh, it's not good. It's not good. It's coming. It's not good. Okay. Breathe in. Deep breath. Yeah. Squeeze. Okay. That's tight. Okay. Yeah. Back in the closet. That's a good idea.
I don't think we have time.
Oh my gosh, I don't think we have any time. Baby is coming now. This baby's coming right now.
You have to. Oh my gosh, you have to help me.
Oh my god, I've never been in this situation before.
Sir, you're gonna have to help me deliver this baby right now, right here.
Okay, it's happening. It's happening.
So I need you to get in here.
Okay, I'm gonna get
and
down.
When you feel his
Okay.
head, when you feel his head
All
right
right.
now, you need to
Yes.
pull.
Okay.
Okay? Ready?
All right.
All right, ready?
Okay,
All right,
let's
do
see.
you feel the head?
See
Do
this?
you feel the head?
Oh my god, I think I feel something. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
It's happening.
Oh my god, I think I feel something. Oh my gosh.
All right, you feel it?
Okay.
Do you feel it?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Maybe they can help us too.
All right,
Yeah, baby.
Okay,
Oh my
ready?
god, I'm getting
On
lightheaded.
the count to three.
Come on, you gotta help us.
We get light.
Sir, are you squeamish?
Okay.
Are you squeamish? Because you're gonna see a baby come right out of me.
Oh my gosh.
You're gonna see it. You're gonna see
Oh my god, this is happening
In a
right now.
second, I'm gonna just lift
Okay,
up my
just do it.
breast and
Okay.
use the catch it. I'm gonna pull right out.
Okay. All
All
right.
right, I'm gonna count to three. I'm
Okay.
just gonna give it one more go.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right, ready? One.
Oh my gosh, what is that? What the heck is that? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, what is that?
Hello, how you doing?
Good, thank you.
Okay.
Grab a Hainanese chicken rice,
Yeah, we can do Hainanese chicken rice.
but not spicy.
No spicy. Why?
Sorry.
Why you like this? Why you scare spicy? White people hate flavor. You put salt and pepper in everything in your gammon. You love gammon for some reason. Gammon is the most bland food. Why you don't like spice? Tell Uncle Roger why you don't like spicy.
It hurts my tonsils.
Hurt your tonsil.
Yeah.
You don't need tonsil. Cut it off. Why you be with him so pussy? Can't even handle spice. How you guys met? Tell me. Why? What you see
At
in
a
him?
food festival.
Food festival must be bland food festival. Only potato. Oh my god, this is no. I don't think you will like the Hainanese chicken rice.
Trying to be a convert.
Oh, okay. Uncle Roger, get you one. Do you want one also?
Yes, please.
Yes,
With
two.
spice for me.
With spice. Okay, this is good white woman. This one good. Okay. Two Hainanese chicken rice. Here you go. Enjoy. Let me get you cutlery too. Here. Do you guys know how to use chopsticks?
I'm okay.
Try. It's Uncle Roger culture.
Really good.
Yeah.
Looks yummy. And the sauces, do we just...
Oh, right, the spice of this one.
Yes. Uncle Roger played trick on you.
Oh no!
Need to train him to like spice. White people are
think
allergic to
we need-
everything. No, don't come back. Leave a good review on Google. Leave a good review on Google. If you leave bad review, I will find you. You forgot your woman.
Kylie, it's everyone's right to have a child, and you've earned that right by overcoming your addiction.
Yeah, well,
I want a baby. I want IVF.
bitch, you need a shower and a new set of teeth.
Yeah, I know my destiny's in front of me. Growing up, I'm 100 seeds. I must survive, it's a human need. To make it to the top, I must believe. Yeah, I'm growing like a flower. I meditate for hours. The rain is like my shower. I used to be that doubter. Used to be that coward. I used to be that tower. In terror, I'm crashing down and knowledge is the power. I'm a different person now. This is the world I found. My energy and certain sounds. Now my gods have made my verses loud, so I'm speaking out and I'm preaching out. Positive vibes are all around. I'm manifesting till I find my crown. To the haters will never put me out.
Stars come crashing down on me. Now I know times have changed. It's liberate.
Before, but oh baby, you all that in a bag of chips.
Oh, well, am I?
Hey, I'm lying, I'm dying, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, well.
Hey babe, I got to tell you, whatever it is that you serving,
You better give me a double.
I was just playing. You know how I be joking. I be joking. I wasn't being straight up with you, but I will now. Monique, I care about you, baby. I care about you so much. I couldn't trust myself to express my real feelings.
Why are blondes buried in triangular coffins? Because as soon as the head hits the pillow, the legs know what to do.
A little longer than a few minutes later.